What's up, guys? I just wanted to do a quick video and brag on DJI for a second. They had to repair my drone because it had cracks underneath the motor mounts around each screw, and it had cracks on every single mount. But anyways, I sent it off for repair, and sure enough, as soon as I sent it off, I realized that my SD card was still in the camera. So I'm thinking to myself, oh god, here we go. You know, that's an easy item to put in your pocket real quick. So I didn't say anything about it. I didn't contact them about it. I just chalked it up to, loss. So anyways, I got it back yesterday. It looks like they have replaced the entire main drone assembly itself with a brand new one. Even the connectors on the battery don't have any scratches on them or anything. They look brand new. So that got me kind of worried, and I went ahead and pulled the drone out of the box, and sure enough, my card was still in the camera. So everything worked out. DJI is hiring some good, honest people, obviously, and I'm very pleased with the repair job that they did on my Phantom here. So I'm about to do a quick test flight to test everything out, and everything should be good after that. Thanks for watching.